This is a WarriorPlus tutorial where I show you exactly how I optimize my affiliate conversion rate and make more commissions in the process. What's up, workers? Amar here, and I have a particular way to do the list building and conversion rate optimization using WarriorPlus. I like to call it two birds with one stone, and I will explain exactly why in just a second. In the meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please support it by pressing the like button, subscribing, and or dropping a comment. It will be very appreciated. In my two previous videos, I showed you exactly how to come up with a lead magnet, how to create a lead magnet and then offer it for free to collect email addresses. I showed you also how to make irresistible graphics completely for free for your new lead magnet. So if you didn't watch those videos, just go to the channel, find them, and then watch them and then come back here. Anyways, I will leave links to these two videos here in the description below. I also showed you how to make these HTML templates or these HTML pages. Like this one here is the squeeze page, and this one here is the download page where we deliver the freebie promised in the first page here, but I did not show you how to make the one-time offer. So what is done right now is we created the lead magnet, we created the pages of the funnel, and then we set up the funnel on WarriorPlus. So all these steps here have been covered in the two previous videos. So what was added to the funnel in this case is the one-time offer and the download page for that one-time offer as well. So the one-time offer will be this product here, which is unrestricted PLR rights to hundreds of ebooks and products which you can use to boost your online business, and the download page of that PLR product, of course. Now, what I added as well is an affiliate page. I am giving away actually 100% commission to those who want to promote this funnel. So they will sell the free offer first, and if anyone upgrades for the one-time offer for $17, it will be a 100% commission. So I'm explaining here on this page how it works and how they can make $17 for every sale, and then I give them some tools to promote the funnel. So here in this strategy, I have 5 things that I use to boost or to optimize my conversion rate as an affiliate. The first thing is that I use a WarriorPlus free download button, which is already connected to my autoresponder account, and I collect emails every time someone takes the free offer. The second thing is that I offer a one-time offer right after the subscription. If someone subscribes and takes the free offer, he will be presented to this one-time offer, to this paid one-time offer right away. And here we have two cases. The first one, you can have a sale, so you will be making money. The second one, you will be having just a lead and not sale. So sale plus lead and or just a lead. The third thing here is that I use the download pages to promote other affiliate offers that are related to my free offer. The fourth thing is that I use the affiliate page I just showed you before, this one here, which will help me recruit affiliates that will help me promote my funnel. And the last thing is these preset follow-up emails that will go out and reach out to the prospect to give him more value and also to recommend some affiliate offers. So what I recommend you to do is take a look at the funnel that I just presented to you. This one here, see how it works exactly, and then don't forget to go and watch the previous 2 videos where I explain exactly how to build the lead magnet, how to build the pages, how to set up the funnel inside WarriorPlus, and also how to drive traffic to your funnels. So if you have any question about this, you can go ahead and drop the question or any comment in the comment section, and I'll be back to answer your question. Also, if you want me to make a particular video to show you exactly how to do something in particular, don't hesitate to drop a comment in the comment section asking me that, and I will make the video for you. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and you got some value from it. Please, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe and like the video and or drop a comment, and I will see you on the next video.